Everyone, today I'm going to share some tips on how I get an accurate 1/4 inch seam when I'm doing my quilting. I took my little ruler here and I lined the edge of the ruler up flush with the edge of my presser foot, and then I'm just going to find my 1/4 inch line and I'm going to adjust my needle so that it's sitting right on top of that. That way it's even and I know it's an accurate 1/4 inch. I'm going to be using a piece of washi tape to mark my guide, that way I know exactly where I need to be sewing. So I'm just going to line that up right up against the edge of my ruler and then stick it down. That way I know it's nice and straight. That's why I have my ruler still in there. And then I'm going to take it out and now I have the perfect guide to do my 1/4 inch seam. And I'm not going to assume that it's accurate, so I'm going to test it out first. So I'm going to take some scrap fabrics and just butt the edges of my fabric right up against the tape there, and then I know. And you want to make sure that your fabric doesn't shift to the left or to the right, because once it gets to the needle it's too late. So you don't want to watch the needle, you want to watch the edge of the tape. And here I'm just taking my ruler and I'm going to line the edge of my ruler up with my stitch line, and in that way I can see exactly where my 1/4 inch line should be, and it looks like it's good. But there is another way to test it to make sure that it's accurate. So here I'm going to sew 3 pieces of fabric together, and I have double checked my measurements because measurements is important. They are exactly 2.5 inch square. So then once I sew the 3 together, the middle one should be measuring exactly 2 inches. So let's hope it's right. This is a great method to make sure that your seams are actually a 1/4 inch, because it is very important. I like using this method, and then once I've sewn the 3 pieces together, I'm going to use my little ruler, and it measures exactly 2 inches, so we know our seam allowance is accurate. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.